Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Substack review. Is it worth it? Substack is a platform designed for writers and creators to publish newsletters, podcasts, videos, and notes directly to subscribers via email or public website. It allows both free and paid subscriptions, handling hosting, payment processing, and subscriber management, making it easy to build a paid audience without technical hassle. Its pros include a low barrier to entry, built-in monetization, with Substack taking just 10% plus standard fees, full control of your subscriber list, minimal distractions, and a clean interface focused on content rather than ads or social media algorithms. On the downside, discoverability is limited for new creators, customization and design options are modest, and you're subject to platform rules, content moderation, and potential policy changes. Overall, Substack is worth it for writers who want a simple, reliable way to share content and monetize it, especially if you already have some following to promote your work. But it does require external effort to grow your audience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.